Employee onboarding. An employee record can be created in the system with a minimum information. However, at a later point in time, more information about the employee can be supplemented to the record. This can be done by editing an employee record. To learn more about how to create and edit an employee record, refer to this tutorial. A more convenient way to get employees additional information is by initiating the onboarding process. Here, the employee itself can supply the information via an online form, which automatically populates the subject employee's record in the system. Initiating the onboarding process. There are two ways to initiate the onboarding process. The first method is to navigate to the Employees List page and then select all the employees for whom you need to initiate the onboarding process. Once selected, go to the HR Processes button and press Begin Onboarding Process. This method is useful when multiple employees are required to be initiated for onboarding. The second method is to navigate to the Details page of the desired employee. Observe the status of the employee. Next, go to the HR Processes button and click Begin Onboarding Process. The process has now been initiated for the subject employee only. Filling up the online form. As the onboarding process is initiated, the system will automatically change the status of the employee to onboarding. An email is sent to the employee's work email ID. This email has an introductory text and a button to confirm and enter details. As the employee clicks on this button, a form will open up for the employee to fill in the additional details. Please note, this is a multi-page form and requires the employee to fill in various details like bank account information, emergency contact details, etc. Once the employee fills in all details and clicks Submit, the system will consume all the supplied information and populate the respective fields in the employee record. Note, the status has now been changed to on probation. The onboarding process has now concluded.